Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited to be here on day one of the Healthy for Life Starter Kit. So I hope that everyone is doing well, and we've had a few technical difficulties, but I am here and I know that most people are watching the replay. So if you didn't make the live, if you have any questions or comments in the group, please comment below. And if you're watching the replay in your email and you have any questions, just send me a reply and tell me what you need to know. All right, so for those that are new to me, my name is Sue Ann Hickey. I am a naturopath, and I love to help people lose weight using their personalized body type plan. So I'm the creator of body typology, and nutrition, healthy eating, healthy lifestyle has been a passion of mine for over 30 years. I just want to check that everything is going okay. All right, so hopefully all the technical systems are worked out. All right, so a little background about me. I know there's a lot of people that know me already that are joining along, so that is awesome. But for those that are new to me, I didn't always follow a healthy lifestyle. I had up and down energy. I would crash in the afternoon. I had hypoglycemia. I had eczema on my hands. It was there for 20 years. And when I finally started learning how to eat healthily, I started taking my classes to be a naturopath. That was when I learned how to eat right for my body type, how to reduce my acidity, and I started implementing all these things about eating a healthier diet that I'm going to share with you, some of them today. And my eczema went away, never to return. My energy and strength just skyrocketed. I felt amazing. And my hypoglycemia became mostly a thing of the past. And I didn't have that up and down energy, and I didn't crash in the afternoon. My energy felt so much more balanced. And I thought, this is a no-brainer. I am going to eat like this, follow my body type plan for the rest of my life. And I want to tell everyone else how to eat right for their body type too. So we're going to start today looking at macro and micronutrients. Now I know it sounds complicated. Even for myself, I was always like, macro, I don't want to count macros or calories or all the things. And believe me, you do not have to count any points or calories if you decide to work with me. But how to break it down into something that's super easy is macros have to do with protein, fat and carbs, so the big nutrients, and micro have to do with the vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients. Now, why do we want to know this? Is because I'm encouraging you today to increase all of your veggies and fruits. Why? Because they contain tons of these phytonutrients. And the phytonutrients are the things that help the plants to protect them against disease, to protect them against all the ravages that are out there trying to kill them. So when we ingest these plants and more fruits and veggies, then we are taking in these phytonutrients that protect our body, that keep us strong, that keep us healthy, that keep us being able to fight disease a long time. So I hope that excites you as much as it excites me. So the more veggies and fruits that you can eat, the next bonus that happens is that you will feel more satisfied a lot longer. It's all about the nutrient density of our foods. Now, these healthy plants and vegetables also contain tons of antioxidants. Those protect our cells again. And the more nutrient dense they are, the better it is for us. So one of the vegetables highest in nutrients are our dark leafy greens. Now I'm a huge fan of Swiss chard. Woohoo! So this is really small. It's the end of the season. This is from my garden. Usually Swiss chard are these 3 times or 4 times the size of these leaves. Why I love Swiss chard so much, not only is because it's a dark leafy green, it helps to detoxify the body, super high in iron, super high in vitamins and minerals, but it's so fast and easy to cook. You just wash your leaves and steam them, and then put a little bit of lemon juice on top, and you're good to go. Unlike spinach, where you have to wash every single little leaf, these Swiss chard leaves are huge, so it's so much easier to wash them. Another plant that I love is kale. This is also a little small. It's again from my garden, picked this morning. So kale is also super nutrient dense. It's a little bit thick. So if you want to make a salad with it, put the salad dressing all over and then massage it with your hands and it'll get super soft and super easy to eat. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't know is that when I tell you, eat the colors of the rainbow, why is that? Because each of the foods and their different colors helps the body in a different way. So our red foods, such as tomatoes, etc., help the cardiovascular system. Not hard to remember that. Our orange foods, like carrots, are helpful for anti-inflammatory. That's why turmeric is kind of an orangey color. Everyone knows, or most people know, that it's super important to help us reduce inflammation in the body. Our white foods, such as garlic and onions and leeks, those help the immune system. All right, so each of the colors of the rainbow helps our body in so many different ways. Another thing that's great about adding more fruits and veggies is it adds more fiber, right? Fiber helps us be regular. Very important for our body to be regular. We're aiming for 3 poops per day. Say what? A lot of people are super constipated. Most people are going to the bathroom once a day, but if you had children, you know when you feed them, they used to go to the bathroom, so you usually have 1 bowel movement for every meal. Now, moving on to other veggies, a lot of people don't know things like celery. They think, oh, celery, there's nothing much to celery. But celery is super high in organic sodium, so that's so good for us. But one thing about celery is it's one of the vegetables highest in digestive enzymes. Now, our digestive enzymes help break down the food. It helps the hydrochloric acid, break down the food in our stomach. So when we eat foods that are super high in digestive enzymes, excellent for the digestive system. I've had clients that had challenges with acid reflux, and I told them just try having a branch of celery before your meal, before your dinner. Acid reflux completely gone. They went around telling everyone, you have to eat celery before your meal. Not everyone needs celery, but it can be very helpful for the digestive system. Also, our sprouts are another vegetable that's super high in digestive enzymes. All of our raw foods are high in digestive enzymes. So even in the winter, if you're more prone to eating more cooked foods, add in a little bit of raw. You'll get all the benefits of those digestive enzymes. Parsley is another veggie that most people might not think about, another dark leafy green that's so beneficial to us. So I like to chop it up and put it wherever I can in salads, and especially in quinoa salads, so really good for us. Now, if you're saying like, Sue-Ann, how do I get in all these veggies and fruits? So maybe if you start your day with a smoothie, you can add in 2 fruits there, maybe a cup of spinach in your smoothie. You might have a banana as a snack in the morning. Lunch is often an overlooked meal that people just grab a wrap or a muffin or a sandwich or something really quick. But try and add in a few veggies at lunch. Maybe in the afternoon you'll have hummus and veggies, a few more veggies at dinner, and you will be getting your amount of veggies that you need for your day right up to what we're hoping for, which is, according to Health Canada, 7 to 10 fruits and vegetables per day. Oh, that's a lot, right? Not many people, myself included, get that many vegetables and fruits per day. We can aim for it, but I take a multivitamin to try and boost up the vitamins and minerals, because the reason that number is so high is because when you do get 7 to 10 vegetables and fruits per day, then you are starting to give your body the amount of vitamins and minerals you need from the fruits and vegetables. Another thing I know you're telling me is like, Sue-Ann, I don't have time to cook all these vegetables. I've got the kids, the parents, the things to look after, driving people here and there. So there are many ways to save time in the kitchen. I'm not going to give you, that's a whole other talk, but one small tip is buy yourself a really good, expensive, big, fat knife, because I always say those vegetables don't cut themselves. So when you have the proper tools at hand, a really good peeler, a really good big knife, a really big cutting board, and you can chop much more quickly, then that will help save some time and make large amounts. If you're making soup, if you're making meals, batch cook as much as possible and make huge amounts. So another thing, as I gave you your PDF in today's email about healthy alternatives and how to replace ordinary foods with healthier alternatives, the thing is, no food has been made more nutritionally dense through packaging and processing, right? So we want to try to eat as much as possible foods in their most natural state. So I've worked with some vegetarians or vegans, and while I believe plant-based can be the healthiest diet on the planet, if you're going more towards like veggie bologna or veggie pepperoni and veggie burgers and veggie pizza and a lot of packaged processed foods, you're not nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs. So if you want to eat more plant-based, by all means, that's great, but try to get maybe your protein from beans, chickpeas, lentils, lima beans, kidney beans. Then you're getting tons of fiber and you're still eating foods in their most natural state. I cook my chickpeas myself, put them in 2-cup portions in the freezer. These are defrosting. And then, just pull them out and they're ready to go for any meal or homemade hummus or whatever I'm cooking. I know most of you are not going to cook your homemade beans. That's fine. You can buy canned. It's just as good. Just rinse them and you're good to go. So tomorrow, if you are excited about what's coming up, tomorrow we are looking at how to keep your metabolism high and revving, especially for those if you want to drop the pounds. You always want to keep your metabolism as high as possible. So there's going to be more tips and hints tomorrow about how to do that and some challenges for you to keep yourself on your healthy path. So thanks for watching and have a great day. And looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. There's actually the button to stop is hidden. All right.